Hello everyone, my name is Serena and welcome to my channel. Okay, first of all, I wanna tell you all that Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I know this year have been a little different between the rest of the years, but I hope that you had a little fun, a little party or the dinner with your family and friends. Obviously staying safe. Okay, so because this different between other years and this year, here in Mexico we have like these before parties, let's call it like that. They are called posada. We have like dinner and we eat and we hit piñatas, eat candy and all that. So well, this year we couldn't go to any posada because, well, we all know why. And my sister was like, oh, I wanna go, I miss this. So I told myself, I'm gonna make a piñata. Why not? Here with my family, let's try. So I did a piñata, but the thing is that I didn't watch any tutorial or anything. I knew like I needed like a balloon, and in the balloon you make this shape, but I didn't have a balloon and I wasn't in a mood to go and buy a balloon because I'm gonna do it by myself, and I tried. So it was kind of interesting and fun doing this.
Okay, so normally when you make a piñata, you use a balloon to make the figure of a sphere, but in my case, I don't have balloons. So like I had one, but I broke it. In this case, I'm not gonna use a balloon. Like, this is the first time I'm doing a piñata. I'm gonna try to do it because this year we can go to the posada, a week before Christmas. So I'm gonna make my own here in my house with my family, like a little posada. But well, the thing is that we don't have a balloon, so we're gonna try to sculpture this sphere in a way like it won't be so big. The piñata only like, I don't know, maybe this size. I'm gonna start doing it and see what happens. Okay, so here we got all the things that I'm gonna use to make my piñata. Okay, so here are the things. It's like this plastic ball, this this pencil, white glue, and a lot of piece of paper. You can use like magazines or paper news. Also, I cut them in pieces like this, but you can only wreck it like this. There's no problem, but for me it's easier to be like little pieces, so let's go. Okay, so I don't have a lot, but we have this. Yay, it's all I have. The thing is that this is gonna be like the base. From here we're gonna make like this sphere over here. I use my head to sign because like my other hand have the phone, so I can do the thing. So okay, so the thing is like I think the most of us have seen Art Attack. So look, I made the Art Attack glue. Water with glue, so here it is. The reason why I like to use like the Art Attack glue because it's like easier, it's not heavy, so you can use it and there's no problem. If you like your shirt have glue, you can wash it and there's no problem, but if it was only glue, it will be harder. That's a good recommendation. Use half water, half glue. It was kind of hard of doing it because at the beginning I had no idea. I was like doing it all like my feeling, my thought. I don't know. I like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. Yes, I'm gonna do this. And also it was so difficult to do it without everyone notice because like I'm always with my family, not always, but like we talk or we're in the same room, and so it was so difficult to do that. And they were like asking like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was like, nothing. Okay, after I had like the body, I passed like 2 or 3 capes of paper with the glue and let it dry. While doing that, it wasn't like a sphere, kind of sphere. Then I started with the cone, that is mostly like paper with more paper with glue. And after that, it was a difficult part. I needed to this body of the piñata with these cones, make it complete together, but it was so complicated because like I didn't have enough hands, and I was like using my legs as a table, and it was like so difficult because it was like, oh, let me paint it, and I had to let it dry while my hand was there, and I was like waiting and waiting and waiting. But yeah, after the second one it went more easy, because I like had the technique. Other things, I made 5 cones, but I only used 4 because I thought that piñatas had only 4. Later I saw an image and when I was like 5, and I was like, oh damn. And at the end, when I was like decorating it was the most fun part.
but it was like kind of difficult because the paper started getting glue in other parts that it wasn't. I was like, no, 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 and it was so hard to do it, you know. But at the end, it ended up really pretty. My family liked it.
Una piñata, acércala.
Then at the end, I filed the piñata with chocolates and other caramels, and also fruit, apples and orange. The funny thing is that my dad liked my piñata, so he told me like, no, we're not gonna break it. I was like, that's why the piñatas exist, to break them, to punch them. But no, he truly liked it, so the thing is that he took the piñata and only put it up and all the candies fall. And well, me and my sister went to grab candy. It was like a little posada, let's say it like that. My parents and family didn't expect a piñata, and I was like, here's the piñata. So right now I have the piñata complete. Well, my dad have it. Okay, so everyone, well, I think you're gonna watch this if you watch it after New Year. So let me tell you guys, Happy New Year. I hope you all really have a nice year next year. We hope that world will be a better place without the virus and the pandemic. But we don't know. Please, everyone, stay at home, stay safe. And if you are from New Zealand, that they didn't have like coronavirus. But anyways, let's all be all happy. Let's be positive. Let's try to overcome all of this. And see you next year. Okay, so this is all. So I'm gonna go. Bye.